Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep your releases organized in Jira, today's video is going to change the way you work. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Jira versions, what they are, why they matter, and how to assign them properly so your workflow stays clean, predictable, and stress-free. Let's get right into it. First, head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your personal dashboard, your command center, where all the projects and issues relevant to you are neatly collected. From here, click and select the project you want to work with. This ensures every action you take is applied to the correct environment, especially if you're juggling multiple teams or products. Once you're inside the project, navigate to the Issues panel. This is where every ticket lives, your tasks, bugs, user stories, improvements, everything. If you've ever felt lost inside a Jira project, this page is your map. Choose any issue you want to update and open its details view. On the right-hand side, you'll see all its key fields: assignee, priority, labels, and among them is the one we care about today, fix versions. Now, what exactly is a fix version? Think of it as a release tag that tells your team when this specific issue is expected to be delivered. Whether your upcoming release is version 1.0, version 1.2, or a big 2.0 milestone, the fix version connects the ticket directly to that release cycle. If the fix versions field says none, that simply means the issue hasn't been assigned to any release yet. To fix that, just click on the field and a drop-down will appear. Here you'll see all of the available versions that your project manager or admin has already created. Select the version that matches the current development phase or the target release you're working toward. Once it's selected, the issue is now officially linked to that version, meaning it will show up in release reports, version pages, and development timelines. This is what keeps your project neat and trackable, especially when planning sprints or coordinating with QA and engineering teams. Assigning fixed versions might seem small, but it's a core part of clean Jira hygiene. It makes release planning easier, reporting more accurate, and team communication more transparent. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Jira versions the right way. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Jira feature you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.